We just pulled up thinking, seeing all these lovely cars, we thought this was obviously our group. It's not our group. So we're going to go and make our own group, because why not? Okay, well, we parked up and then everybody decided to join us. So like, we pulled up and joined that group. Because we thought, oh look, it's Jap Owners of Hampshire, they must be waiting. It's like, are you waiting?
Yeah,
no.
We've got like 4, that's issue 3.
Around just to see what we're going to have on stand. All very, very clean car. But this is Sarah's. It's almost like a, yeah, it's like it's almost like a Sainsbury's Takeover, isn't it? Did you not notice the big wang?
Oh my God.
There's another 350 over here as well. We know this 350 because it's a really good 350 because you spot anything good about it. Yay! Here's, we've taken over Sainsbury's car park. Almost said Tesco then. I like this. This is very nice. Morning. Morning. Look, there's more over here as well. There is absolutely, what a massive stand. But this girl's doors, look. How about that? Look at the doors on that one. You like your Lambo doors and stuff, that's a proper. Oh, welcome back to Goodwood for Japfest Classic. It's the first year that Japfest have hosted in Goodwood, and we're with Jap Owners of Hampshire, and literally all of these cars are on our stand. So we're going to have a quick wander around and we're going to show you what we see. I have seen when they've done like what was it, Supercar Sunday. Yeah. I've seen that going the way around to there. Right, let's just wait for his lights. There we go, one. No, it's not going to do it.
No, it just wiggled a minute ago.
Yeah. Wiggle, wiggle.
As we were walking up.
We were watching this earlier.
You need to have a steering wheel. Start, wiggle, wiggle.
Yeah, look, here we go, here we go. He's dancing away. Very cool.
That is very cool.
Won't be able to start when he leaves, but
Next year when they come up, every one of them will have it.
yeah. Then they should dance all the way along.
Yeah.
In key.
Yeah.
Do the Mexican wave.
Yeah.
They do look good in yellow.
Yeah, they do look good.
Let's have a look at this Honda quickly. Go around because the man's got his door open. I guess so. I think I have seen one of these before.
That doesn't have a proper badge, it just has a
It's very cool. See the way the doors kind of work into the frame of the car? The door comes right here, but kind of all into the frame. It's really weird. It's very cool. Yeah.
Just in case.
Well, the bonnet's a bit wobbly because it's fiberglass. The rest of it's metal.
Well, the Mark, these were the newer ones, yeah.
The Mark IIs are a pain in the arse.
It's a very cool car.
I mean, like the engine looks newer than the car.
Yeah.
At the time, it was so advanced. I mean, that's why in a way they weren't successful. Because if anything went wrong, you took it to the local down the local garage. They didn't know what to do.
But cars like this is how Japan made it, weren't it? Because they made reliable cars and showed that everybody else makes rubbish.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
I mean,
Especially Ford.
Thank you very much.
you're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you.
There's a little thing next to it as well.
The one they did on Wheeler Dealers, the CR, the CV.
I don't think so.
CVT or something?
I don't know. It's very, very small. It's a Z car.
So I've done this one.
Huh?
Wages, he paid me all. He said, I'm going to pay all your holidays. Yeah, how long you been here?
Yeah.
36 years. I said, right.
It's a 600. Oh, look how the boot must open.
I'll have all these tools, I'll have all the workshop.
That must come down. Better to spare. Yeah. Very clever. Lifted bonnet. On that Honda.
Yeah.
Either that or it opens that way.
It might do.
So it's got a UK. Oh no, it's not a UK vent. That's not a UK vent. That's a aftermarket vent. It's similar to the UK. Yeah.
Kind of does suit you.
It always has a really good trade stand. Look, we've just bought loads of t-shirts and hoodies for Christmas and stuff. But look, there's another one that's not even open yet. One that's not open yet, mind the car. Can you see the roof on that? Look, I'll show you in a second. It's really done well. It's really nice. Look,
Yeah,
can
I
you
saw
see it? It's really nice. Lovely Accord. Like I say, loads of good trade stands. And obviously we're going over to check out the Just Japs. They've only just turned up, so they're still setting up. But you always have amazing cars from Just Jap. Beautiful, beautiful cars. That sits high, doesn't it? Really nice. Well, these are packed in, aren't they? See, these are the side things that I had, but I put them at the back.
Look at the place, it's tiny.
It is. My plate wasn't that small, and I got into trouble.
Yeah. I can imagine he gets into trouble.
Huh? You can appreciate when you look to that guy's Golf, how much work it is to get it looking so clear.
It's a nice colour as well.
What? Yes, 2000. I'm not keen on the colour. I like the car though.
Yeah, you can see why, can't you?
Flip plate on that as well. See it?
Yeah.
Mechanism. $526.
Like, yeah.
So together. Yeah. Looks
Do you think that's a drifter? Yeah, that's what they do. When they break them, they stitch it back together like that. That's cable ties. It's cable ties holding it all together, and that's what they do because they break them quite often. Because look, actually, if you crash this car, that's the protection here. It's a big metal bar that goes behind it.
Number plate's cable tied on as well.
Yeah, as usual. Just a quick interruption to our video today to thank our sponsors. Dragon Car Audio and Security. They're based in Fareham and they can deal with all of your audio and security needs. I've put their telephone number down here so you can give them a call, but you will find all of their links in our description. Well, do hit them up if you need any audio or security, and well, let's get back to our video.
So you got the only food there, really?
Yeah, it's cheap.
Well, yeah, I mean, just tune into the real lane and speak to the DVLA. Sometimes ask for
I like them.
make sure it's
They're just not,
sound in there. And the other thing is on.
people don't think much of them, do they? I love the livery on this. I drive this all day long. A very yellow. You want to see the GT that I'd have? There's one here. That's what you had. That's the one you had, wasn't it? Yeah. So I saw the grille from a distance, and I thought it was the Primera.
I did the I've got a different grill on mine and the phase 2 lights.
Yeah.
They've got Scooby and Scooby.
They got a Scooby and Scooby. It's quite original. They do that quite often.
Scooby, look.
Scooby and the Scooby. I do like these. It's a big old bus though, isn't it? Another FTO. 200SX, which looks stock, which is, oh, it's not, it's the exhaust system. It's very tight over here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very nice Evo. And yellow car. Yellow car. Hardly touched ya. And a very, very yellow R33. I like this a lot. Love the skirts in it, love the wheels. Love the way they've put the high level on there. We did see this little van. I love these little vans. I've seen one of these decked out as the A-Team. It looks really cool. Nice GT4. Not for a while.
Like its wheels.
Yeah, the wheels are really nice. I've always had a soft spot for it. Nice MR2. An MRS. I've got to say, it's really, really busy at the moment. And like I said, we've been purchasing. There's a nice Micra, a very modified Civic, a 350. Really?
Yeah.
This is really nice.
Yes.
Like a stock plus, isn't it? Oh, we've seen it.
When he said only 12 left on the road.
We saw this at, yeah. This was at what's that one? Jap on the boardwalk.
Yeah. See this with that hard top.
Yeah, I
Oh
remember
yeah.
Sweeping hard top.
Yeah, I remember.
You remember it? This was next to that's Ron's car, wasn't it? Who you picked as your best one. Oh, the interior is really nicely done as well.
Yeah.
It's quilted, the interior sort of thing.
There's
What's that?
the bonnet.
Oh, what on the... Yeah, that's cool.
There's the bonnet.
Oh, someone comes and walks on it. Oh. That's done really nice, isn't it? That is a very, very nice, clean car. Yeah, look at Ziddy. Is he your mini-me? We call him Mickle. Nice S2. Oh look, talking of Datsun, Ron, who you picked as your favourite. That was the car you picked? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I know, because I know the guy.
Sorry.
I think that's a 180. Yeah, it's a 180. It's the import. Yeah. Lively Evo next to it, and a nice IS behind that. That's for sale as well. Yeah, I know, that's what I said. It's for sale as well. It's like the odd one out in here almost, with all these SXs. It's like the odd one out almost, with all the SXs and Sylvias. Yeah, don't you think? I've always thought the facelift looked very Corvette-ish.
Yes.
Don't it?
Yeah.
And then the Skyline sat in the middle of all of it. This is nice, but Gandor mirrors, wide arch and sleepy eye.
Yeah.
That, I agree totally. This is beautiful.
The red one's nice.
Yeah, the red one's really nice. Look at the RB. That's some work. Look at the size of the turbo on that. I mean, you know I'm not a turbo fan, but that's pretty cool. Yeah, the red one is really nice.
Jump start the RB.
That's really nice, and that's sitting perfect.
Yeah.
That has actually got an absolutely perfect stance. Do you know that's a Skyline?
Yes, it's the open now.
R31, I think.
Yeah.
That next to this,
Yeah, that's nice.
the Beast.
I think one of these came to Torque, pulled into Torque.
Yeah, I think it
We were
did.
there ages ago. That's a funky livery.
Two very, that way a bit, two very, very different Skylines, but
Yeah.
both Skylines.
Yeah. Livery
Yeah, I've
on
seen
that
it before.
350, it's nice.
It hurts my eyes. 'Cause it's all that.
That's a very nice car. I love the colour on that.
It's all backwards though, it's doing my eyes.
I know, that's what I said, it's hurting my eyes.
Maybe it's right on this side. Yes, it is.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's just...
Hello, you're right. The exhaust on the back of that as well. You just don't see it, do you? It's done very well. Have you seen this Celica drop down as well?
I don't see Ram 75 on that, sorry.
No, I can't say I am, but it still looks pretty damn cool. When did you see a Corolla like that?
Yeah.
It's not a Corolla.
Yeah, the Corolla.
Datsun Corolla. No.
What?
He's got Datsun on the front. Datsun Corolla. No, that's not right. Look at the... It's really weird. Datsun didn't make a Corolla, it was Toyota.
Toyota Corolla. You just put
Yeah,
that.
he's put Datsun on the front. Maybe everybody keeps on calling it a Datsun. I was going to say, hold on, those two things don't live together. Something doesn't belong.
Yeah.
See, it's cable tie.
Oh, it's a cable tie holding it. Yeah, but we know how Nissans and Toyotas are put together. They use cable ties all the time.
Yeah.
There's another IS up here.
2 IS.
And then a Crown.
I like to get mine.
There's another one of the AZs.
You never see them, and now you've got 2 at one shot.
Yeah. They are pretty mega, aren't they?
I love them, they're little wicked little cars.
It's the doors that I love on these things.
Yeah, I've always loved cappuccinos. Always loved them.
I didn't realise it had the little window.
Yeah.
That's very cool. I do like that.
Oh, they're massive. I always thought they were Suzuki.
I thought it was a Suzuki, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
That's a bit of a beast, isn't it? Look at that.
Can't go in.
Wow. That is a beast. Massive thing. And then the GTOs. Do love a GTO. Obviously the GTO UK Owners Club. Thing is, you look at these, would you really want to work on that engine bay? No. Very cool cars. Oh, didn't see this a minute ago. All of those sleekers, and I missed the Nismo Fair Lady Z. That looks like actually a proper Nismo Fair Lady Z too. That's a very smart car. I like that. You got the extra arch bits on it as well, which you don't normally see. That's a very, very cool car.
Does it like go to a bevel gear then to a diff? Or is it like or is it like a
It's even got NSX on the brake disc, the brake calipers.
Yes, it's an automatic. I know you were disappointed.
You should daily driver again.
Yellow car! MX-5s. Oh look, they've got some over here as well.
Oh, this one is gorgeous.
That's really nice.
Yellow car.
I like the carbon inserts for the spoiler and the front. Know the owner of that one. They expected it to be bigger, didn't they? Do you think? Oh yeah. Right, and this is Jap Owners of Hampshire stand. Now, if you saw my live earlier, you would have seen the cars that are here. But obviously, Scott Skyline. Can't think of a name. Scott Skyline. Scott's Misty Skyline. Carla's Skyline. Scott Skyline. I like this, but I think if you took the stickers off, it would look much nicer. Obviously, Matt's IS350, the Mad 350, and you've got all these wicked cars on stand. So, like I said, if you'd have seen my live, you'd have seen what was here. It's very nice. They have some absolutely epic cars. The 200SX with the massive wing. There's a couple of extra joined. We've got a nice yellow FTO in the background as well. Seen that a couple of times as well.
Yeah.
I think that's the guy that does who was the people that were on stage? Motor Addicts. It is. It's got Motor Addicts on the side.
Yeah.
That's a IS making that noise. Yeah, well, my team's got 4 cylinders. That makes sense why it's such a small engine.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. That's seriously impressive. That's more impressive than it was when we first saw it.